Tinnitus treatment. Don't get crazy. Tinnitus relief is here. Looking for a natural tinnitus cure? Here are a number of alternatives that you can try. For best results, combine a few of them together because they target the source of the problem. If you suffer from a constant buzzing, hissing, or ringing in your ears, it may be worth your while to consider a natural tinnitus cure as an alternative to traditional Western medicine. Tinnitus usually develops when you have been exposed to very loud noises. Ear infections and injuries can also lead to tinnitus, but sometimes it can be a symptom of other conditions like high blood pressure or poor circulation. It is important to note that conventional medicines do not offer a cure for this condition, but there are various natural treatments that you can try. Try Gingko Biloba. This herb helps to boost blood flow to your head and neck. Gingko Biloba also helps to reduce blood vessel inflammation, and this helps promote better blood circulation in the capillaries that feed the nerves around the ears, making it an effective natural tinnitus cure. It may take a while before your symptoms improve when you start taking this herb. For this reason, it is advisable to combine it with other therapies for better results. Number 2, sound therapy. You can also use sound therapy to treat this condition naturally. The buzzing, ringing, and hissing that you get when you suffer from tinnitus is usually more noticeable when you are in quiet environments. Sound therapy helps by filling in the silence with repetitive neutral sounds that will divert your attention from the ringing and other symptoms. One of the sound therapy options that you can try is simply turning the television or radio on when it is quiet to get a natural tinnitus cure. These devices will provide adequate background noise to disguise the tinnitus sounds. You can also listen to some relaxing sounds such as the rain or the sea or ocean. Number 3, acupuncture. This is another effective natural option for treating tinnitus. Acupuncture is a type of Chinese medicine that involves inserting small needles in particular points on your body. Research evidence has revealed that acupuncture can be compared to physiotherapy. The use of acupuncture to treat tinnitus has proved effective in most patients. It is important to note that the effects of this treatment option tend to differ from one individual to another. Number 4, exercise. With this, it is important to note that stress can worsen your tinnitus, so exercise is a great alternative. This is why it is advisable to engage in regular exercise to help you relax. Yoga is an ideal choice if you're looking for a natural tinnitus cure because it helps you to tune up your body. Tinnitus can be a very frustrating condition, but the good news is that there are some natural solutions that you can use to address it. These natural solutions help you avoid the use of pharmaceutical drugs that often cause side effects and only address the symptoms. Natural treatment options deal with the cause of the condition. Is your tinnitus ringing again? Time to hang up. Stop the ringing in your ears and end your tinnitus permanently by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to tick that bell notification for more upcoming videos from Remarkable Remedies. Take care and God bless everyone.